Welcome back, explorers! Today in Subtraction Valley, the R squad is ready to take bigger subtraction jumps using the number line. Let's get jumping! Before we start, here's what we're learning today. Subtracting using bigger jumps. Counting backward carefully. Using a number line to stay accurate. Finding the correct answer. Bigger jumps just mean we move back more steps. We still go one step at a time. Let's remember how the number line works. Each number is in order. When we subtract, we start at a number and jump back. Let's solve 9 minus 4. Start at 9, jump back 4. We landed on 5. So, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Let's do another one. Let's solve 10 minus 6. Start at 10, jump back 6. We landed on 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Let's sing a big jump subtraction song.
Start at the number, jump back slow. Big or small jumps, count and go. Jump, jump, count each one. Subtraction's fun for everyone. Start at the number, jump back slow. Big or small jumps, count and go. Jump, jump, count each one. Subtraction's fun for everyone.
My feet are counting with me. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. What's 10 minus 5? Start at 10. Jump back 5. Where do you land? Correct, 5. So, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Challenge 2. What's 10 minus 8? Start at 10. Jump back 8. Where do you land? Correct, 2. So, 10 minus 8 equals 2. Challenge 3, what's 9 minus 6? Start at 9, jump back 6. Where do you land? Correct, 3. So, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Let's check what we learned today. You subtracted using bigger jumps. You counted backward carefully. You used a number line to stay accurate. And you found the correct answer. You completed all today's learning goals. Great job! For mastering bigger subtraction jumps, you've earned the Big Jump Subtractor badge. You're a subtraction jumper now. Wear this badge proudly. Big jumps take big focus. Next time, we'll practice subtraction with mixed addition and subtraction problems. You'll decide how to solve them. See you in Lesson 12. Bye, explorers!